Start with boiling water and dish soap. This is the simplest and least expensive option. Obviously, it's the one you should attempt first. Bring 2 liters of water to a boil, then add a couple teaspoons of liquid dish soap. Take this mixture and carefully pour it down the drain. This method works especially great on grease clogs because it warms the grease back to a liquid, allowing it to flow freely out of the pipe. It may take a few tries, but you'll be astonished at how well this works. One thing you should keep in mind though is that boiling water can cause damage to plastic pipes. So if you have PVC pipes, skip this step and try some of the following methods. Number 2. Use baking soda and vinegar. This is a tried and true approach for unclogging drains. Simply combine 1/3 cup of baking soda and 1/3 cup of vinegar and pour it down the drain. The fizzing action is what makes this method so effective in removing the grime that's clogging your drain. For best results, allow it to sit for about an hour before flushing it out with hot water. Number 3. Try baking soda and salt. Another highly effective combination is baking soda and salt. These 2 natural compounds can often do wonders, especially when it comes to clogged drains. In fact, this simple DIY method is not only effective against blockages, it's also excellent against foul drain odors. Just combine a half cup of each and pour the mixture down the drain. Let it sit for a few hours and follow with a pot of hot water. These compounds combined produce a strong chemical reaction, which has the potential to clear most blockages. Number 4. Mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda. Yup, you can also use hydrogen peroxide to unclog your drain. Simply mix a cup of hydrogen peroxide with a spoonful of baking soda and pour this mixture down your drain. Once again, you will notice a fizzing action, which means it's working. Soon enough, the obstruction will be broken up and your drain will be cleared. Number 5. Pour down some Coca-Cola. Some of our favorite soft drinks are quite corrosive, and while this makes them unhealthy, it does make an excellent drain cleaner. The best soda for the task is regular Coca-Cola, not the diet version. You want it to be as harsh as possible. Gently pour it down your clogged drain and allow it to sit for a few hours. The cola will begin dissolving the blockage quickly and may even be able to completely dislodge it. After a few hours, just flush the drain with some hot water. Number 6. Use a plunger. First things first, there are 2 types of drain plungers. For toilets, you should use a flange plunger. For sinks, showers, and tubs, you should use a cup plunger. If your drain is completely clogged, remove the drain stopper and fill the sink with enough water to cover the plunger's suction cup. Then proceed to plunge using the same motions as you would with a toilet. The abrupt changes in pressure on both sides will eventually get the blockage dislodged and carried away. Number 7. Use a wire coat hanger. If the plunger doesn't work with the blockage, you can try a coat hanger. It's a simple DIY version of the drain snake that plumbers often use. Straighten a wire coat hanger except for the hook, and wrap the end with duct tape to keep it from scratching the pipe. It's also a good idea to have a pail or garbage bag ready for disposing of your extraction. Then insert the hook end into your pipe and gently fish the clog out with the hook. This method is very effective in removing obstructions caused by hair or food particles. When you're finished, just pour some hot water down the drain.